Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up tax strategy with Tangible Solutions easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Tangible Solutions website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Tax Strategies section. Click on Start Your Strategy to initiate the process. Fill out the required information about your financial situation. Include your income sources and any applicable deductions. Make sure to provide accurate data for better recommendations. Next, choose your preferred tax strategists. Review their profiles, expertise, and client feedback. Select a strategist that aligns with your needs. Schedule a consultation with your chosen strategist. During the consultation, discuss your financial goals and concerns. Ask questions about different tax strategies that may benefit you. Your strategist will then provide a tailored plan. After receiving your plan, review it thoroughly. Consider the advice and recommendations offered. Make any necessary adjustments based on your personal circumstances. Once you are satisfied, implement the strategies outlined in your plan. Keep track of your financial progress regularly. Schedule follow-up consultations as needed for updates. Stay informed about any changes in tax laws that may affect your strategy. Make adjustments to your tax strategy when necessary. Now you have a comprehensive tax strategy set up with Tangible Solutions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.